Alright guys, welcome to For Life Auto. And we have a 2013 Nissan Sentra, and this could be 2014-15 with a 1.8. We're doing the thermostat, guys. So this is where the thermostat is located. Remove all the necessary hoses, guys. I'm clean my camera. So we take out the battery well first thing and move all the necessary hoses off the throttle body hose, cooling, air cooling, and then we take around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bolts off the housing, and we just put it back aside like this, like pull it back aside, guys. Come back right side, and if the gasket is on, guys, don't try to interrupt the gasket. Try to leave it on there, and we're gonna pop the thermostat out. It kind of stuck there, so we're gonna pop the thermostat out, guys. It's right there located. See? And guys, the thermostat, we're gonna pop it out. So if your gasket is on there, guys, please just leave it on there. You don't wanna interrupt the gasket and have to take out the whole housing. So thermostat was stuck pretty bad there. So we're gonna just pull it out. See what we have. And there you go, guys. The thermostat is out. It's right in the block at the side. The housing is there. I didn't take out all the hose. I put it aside. And guys, look. This is the thermostat. For some reason, I don't know if it's this one or the other one, but we have a replacement parts right here. Because they have 2 housing in this one, inlet and outlet, guys. And if you want a part number for this one, I'm gonna leave it here. So this one is for the top one, inlet, and this one is for the outlet. And guys, they weigh 2 different numbers because you can't mix them up because they're different size. So as I said, I will be changing out this one to see if it's that one fixed the problem with the heat, so I can leave the other one. But I think if the heat's not coming here, it's probably this one is blocked because this one hook up to the heater core. So I think this one, the inlet, and the outlet is below. So let's see how it go, guys. If you're new to the channel, guys, please consider subscribing. This is a 2013 to 2017-18 1.8 Nissan Altima Sentra, and yeah, this is where the housing located. Take out the battery, 5 number 10 bolts. And guys, if your housing if your thing is on, guys, please leave them on, and you put back your housing and probably put some silicone on the end and just leave it, guys, because you don't want to take out the whole housing. This kind of helps you in any way. Please consider subscribing. 2013, 14, 15, 16, and so on with a 1.8 engine. This is one of the housings, the inlet. This is the one that goes to the heater core. So try changing out the easiest one first, and then see how it goes. And then you could change the other one is in the front, below the alternator. Alright, guys. So if this helped you in any way, please consider subscribing, and don't forget to like, share with a friend. Alright, guys. Happy New Year 2025. I'm out. Alright, guys, this one is important, so I forgot to tell you this, guys. When you change the thermostat, guys, and you see it have this bleeding hole on the top, please make sure you turn it back like to the top. Anywhere the air is gonna be bleeding out of the system, it goes to the top point and it gets to come through this hole. So that is what this hole is for bleed air that is in the system. So don't put it like this, guys, because you will get a hard time getting out the air, because the air don't go to the bottom, air rise to the top. Same like when you're bleeding the brake cylinder for your wheel. The caliper could fit the both sides, but if you mix them up, guys, the nipple gonna be at the bottom. So that's an important step not to make, because it happens. So on your car, the caliper can work on the right, can work on the left. The only difference is the bleeding nipple gonna be at the bottom and air rise. So guys, if this helps you in any way, guys, let's get this video out. Share, like, and don't forget to subscribe, guys. Love you guys, and catch you on the next one. I'm out.